So it's the watch. The watches and the...
Okay. They asked me to take these phones out, but I don't really know how they work. Okay. Alright, well that's how I'm gonna do it. They don't care if the display is damaged, they need the phone not to be damaged. There we go. Alright, I'm cutting the top off. Let's see how we did. The phone come out. Oh, these are tight too. Ooh, got me a new phone. Look at that. Are you guys wondering how they charge so many devices at one time? They got this box underneath. And yeah, this plugs into the wall. Pretty cool. All right, take the next one off. Let's see what we can do.
Clean cut.
Yeah. And then to get it out, actually, it's still pretty tight in there. Oh, this one's loose. So there you go. Yep. Gotta get these two out too. Spinning in a circle, but it's not actually doing anything.
Spread a little joy today.
There we go. Okay, let's see how it goes now. Alright, well that's how you do it, I guess. Drill until it falls out. Right. I guess that was pretty easy. There you go. Cleared the whole rack.